There's a guy behind me, out of no reason, honks the horn while everybody stops. Honks the horn while everybody stops on 174th Street. There's an old man, probably 68, 70 years old, like me. But here's a guy that all he does is honk the horn and harasses people for no reason. I'm standing my own business. Everybody stop. He honks the horn. I have to move away, according to him. And then he gives me the finger and he harasses me. Here's the tag number, EDC G04. It comes out from 700 building, probably. Winston Tower, 700 building. And look how he drives. Erratically. Look how he drives. He's going to take over people. Look. New Yorker. That's exactly who he is, a New Yorker. He moves over. Keeps moving over. He's scared that I'm going to do something.